From the heart of Italian creativity and beauty emerges a new masterpiece for the sea. Introducing Hertz Marine V8 DSPx². We didn't just raise the bar, we built a new one. V8 DSPx² is the only high-res certified marine amplifier in the world, delivering clarity, depth, and precision no competitor can match. Dual DSP power for unmatched control and precision. Meet the smartest DSP engine ever designed for marine audio. Our exclusive EVOCA algorithm models every speaker in real time, something no other marine system can do. Tower mode for water sports, party mode for the deck, relax mode for cruising. Your system knows what you need before you touch a thing. Only V8 DSPx² does it, automatically. 2,000 watts of pure Class D power. No marine amplifier packs more punch in a footprint this small. Compact, efficient, unstoppable. Forget complicated wiring. A2B protocol lets you link up to 3 amplifiers with a single cable, unleashing 32 synchronized DSP channels. No one else does it, period. Designed to integrate seamlessly with Capri and the full Hertz Marine ecosystem. This is plug-and-play luxury for every premium installation. Ready to sail, built to last, pure marine sound, redefined.